I have followed through all kinds of beauty regimens, products, makeup hacks, literally everything under the sun. And I've come to realize that the secret to radiant skin is more from the inside than the outside. My lifestyle actively involves a daily intake of my Swisse Collagen+ hyaluronic acid tablet, thanks to which I'm always camera ready. This incredible collagen supplement is made with hydrolysed collagen peptides, which supports the skin's elasticity to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Hyaluronic acid helps maintain plump and hydrated skin, while the vitamin C and E boost skin repair and regeneration, giving you youthful-looking skin. Swisse is Australia's #1 beauty nutrition brand, and their products are manufactured using premium quality ingredients, ensuring only the best for your body. It is when you feel good that you look even better.